Hi there, this video is going to be a very beginner video for people who are not familiar with SEO just about at all.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Okay, I want everybody to be up to speed. If you are familiar with SEO, maybe skip this video because it's going to be too beginner for you. But here we go. So what is SEO? It's basically search engine, it's an acronym, stands for search engine optimization. For our purposes, it's a tool, a technique for us for how we're going to get our videos to rank in YouTube search. And most videos are discovered in YouTube through search. And we want to take advantage of that, of course, because when people search, they find us, we get free traffic, and possibly a lot of it. And very highly converting traffic because they're already searching for what we are offering, which is great. We don't have to stand and wave our hand and say, hey, buy my stuff. They're already coming to us, right? So it's very powerful. And for that reason, we need to take as much advantage of it as possible. So essentially, this slide explains what I just said. Essentially, it's search engine optimization, and it's the practice that we're going to use to get our videos, to give our videos as high chance as possible to come up in searches when they are relevant. Of course, there are many, for every search, there are many competing videos, and they're doing SEO as well. So it's not always easy because we always have some degree of competition. And typically, the more lucrative or the more highly demanded a search term is, the more competition there is. So one thing that we're gonna talk about in upcoming videos is SEO really has a twofold approach. There's the things that you do like right on your video, and then there's things you do, I guess you can call it, off your video. So all things you do on your video are things like making sure that your description and title has the right keywords, making sure that your meta titles are good, generally making the video a good video so that people watch it longer, because engagement is a positive signal for YouTube search and Google search, and that will help you rank. And then that's all the stuff you can do right on your video. And then the off video stuff is, getting thumbs up, getting more comments, getting more social sharing, generating more views, all those kinds of things. And we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail in upcoming videos, so that you'll know exactly the tactics that you have to do and how to do them.